to see how to set best setting in Streamlabs, okay, for streaming. Okay, so first go to output, and here you need to see output mode is that. Click advanced. Yes, after clicking this, you have an encoder, and you need to click the drivers. It depends on you which driver you're using. Okay, then after constant bitrate, the rate control will be the CVR, and the bitrate should be 4,000 to 10,000, depends on your internet speed. If your speed is high, then you can go with 1,000, 10,000. Then after keyframe 0 to 2, depends on you. And percent, you can go with a P5, P6, P7. If your internet speed is high, you go with a P6. And the tuning high quality, yes, the tuning should be in high quality, yes. And go to advanced. In this advanced, you have a channel should be streaming, and set the audio device. Depends on your audio device, you need to set. If you don't know, go and check in your audio settings, yes. And the mic should be set, yes. If you don't know, same, go to audio settings, and it has the settings. And go to video. In this, you need to give 1920 into 1080. Both should be, base and output should be same. And FPS should be integral FPS value, yes. And the FPS value should be 60. Give 60 FPS, yes. And download scale should be binary. And go to advanced. In this, it should be the processor priority should be high, yes. Yes, and video, it should be in NV12 and 709. Yes, it should be same 300 and 1000 HDR, and the remaining all should be in same. So once you set and use it, it should be give the best performance and best settings. Okay, thank you.